In auto ads, they use machine learning that would make the ad placement decisions on your behalf. What that means is AdSense could auto-inject the ad depending on the ad spot that they think would perform well. The good thing about auto ads is that you only deploy one piece of code into your site and that's it. You can control how you want the ad to behave or the types of ad that you want to enable without modifying the code that you have originally deployed. If you have an AMP site or accelerated mobile pages, this is the tab that you go to get started or to get your setup guide in here. For regular sites, we go to Auto Ads and then Get Started. You're going to have to specify which type of ads do you want to enable. So you will see exactly how it's going to look like when deployed on your site. And you can toggle to view it on a desktop or mobile. Then we have overlay ads here as well. Anchor ads. That's the ad that sticks at the bottom, stays visible whether the user scrolls up or down. Vignette, it's like an interstitial ad that takes over the entire screen. Now, if you don't want any of these ad formats to serve on your site, you can toggle to turn it off. Then once you're done, you click on Save. This code snippet goes into the head section of the site. So you copy the code snippet and deploy, and in a bit, I'll show you how it's done. Now, this auto ads will also take into account or consider the manual ads that you already have. So it will not cover any of your ad placements or take over their ad spots. And remember that it usually takes 10 to 20 minutes for the ads to start showing up after you deploy the code. You've now got auto ads enabled, well, of course, after you deploy your code. Now let's go ahead and grab the code again for the auto ads. I'll copy the code snippet, and remember this goes into the head section of the site. In WordPress, we are not going to use Ad Inserter for this one, although that can be an option. But for now, we are going to use Settings, Head and Footer code. And here for the box, site-wide head code, we will be pasting there our auto ads code snippet. And then once done, we just click on Save. You can use any plugin you prefer for as long as you can deploy the code across all pages of your site. For this one, I used head and footer code. You can also use Ad Inserter, or you can use advanced ads. And once that's done, you should see auto ads serving from time to time. Again, it's machine learning. They will auto inject the ad anywhere in the site, depending on the ad formats you selected or turned on a spot that AdSense can detect would perform well. To view the report of auto ads, filter the report by ad formats, and you will see the different types of ad formats in here and the corresponding performance. AdSense auto ads are now integrated in any ad unit code deployed on the site, which means even a regular display AdSense code is capable of serving auto ads for as long as it's activated in your AdSense account. To start, go to Ads Overview by Site. Here you will see the sites configured in this account, the status of auto ads if it's on or off, and some page exclusions. Click on the pencil icon to edit. To enable auto ads, toggle this button right here. This option to optimize existing ad units is not active as of yet. Turning this on would only mean that you will allow Google to optimize your ad units along with your auto ads and place them in the most optimal ad spots on your site in the future. Click on the ad formats and toggle on the buttons here to choose the ones that you allow or disallow on your site. For the ad load, you're able to control the number of ads that will be auto-injected in your pages. And the number of in-page ads that you will see is displayed in here. So for example, I'm going to change that. Still shows 7, and now it's down to 4. So if you only accept, let's say, less number of in-page ads or auto ads, feel free to adjust it here and check the number change in here. To exclude some sections or pages on your site, click on Manage for Page Exclusions. Click Add Exclusion. Here, specify the URL where you want auto ads excluded. So let's say I have sampledomain.com/sports. You can then decide, do you want to exclude ads on this page only or all pages under this section? Once done, click on Add. Once you have added the URL, you have the option to add more exclusion or delete if you change your mind. Once done, click on Apply to Site. Remember that auto ads now work through any ad code, but it might not work properly if you're using an ad server or if you're running AdSense through an ad server. When you make changes to your auto ad settings, it can take up to an hour to apply on your site. To view the report on how auto ads perform versus the other manual ad units, you can go ahead and sort the report by placement methods. Once you have data, you're going to see the breakdown here by ad unit, auto ads, and other.